Here's the breakdown in your hour-by-hour forecast. So 6 a.m. we are sitting at 81 degrees, 91 degrees by 2 p.m. Heat index values right there around 103. So on this Memorial Day weekend forecast for Sunday, we are talking a temperature of 93 degrees. Looking ahead to Monday, 92. A little bit more cloud coverage is expected on Monday. Overnight lows right there around 80. Let's talk rain and thunderstorms, right? So today, all of our frontal systems, our cold fronts, our stationary boundaries, our warm fronts, they're all to our north, but we do have the dry line to the west. That's the only hope for any rain for us, is if we get any storms that form into Mexico and then make it into the coastal bend. Now, San Antonio has a shot at some rain early Monday morning with one of those clusters of storms that could kind of form a squall line or an MCS, a mesoscale convective system, and kind of keep fueling them long enough to make it to San Antonio around 2 a.m. But those storms would weaken, so the best shot for any rain in the coastal bend is be in Live Oak County. Anywhere closer to San Antonio has a better shot for some rain overnight tonight and into Monday. Check out this stationary boundary now. This is our cold front that's stalling over the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex into Monday. It slides a little bit further south. We get those squall lines, those systems, those mesoscale convective systems just sliding along this boundary and likely staying to our north. Into Tuesday, rain chances go up a bit. Tuesday, Wednesday, as this front tries to slide a little bit further south. It doesn't make it all the way through the coastal bend. A warm front lifts north, and then we have a potential for another cold front that will try to make it this far south. Overall, what you need to know is it is going to remain hot. High temperatures in the 90s, heat index values staying in the triple digits. But look at this, as we head into Saturday, we are looking at a heat index value maybe trying to stay in the 90s, a high temperature right at 90 degrees. So there is a chance we get a little bit of an east or northeast wind Friday into Saturday, and that's going to at least drop our heat index a little bit. Hey, we are now just under a week away from Beach to Bay, which is going to be this coming Saturday, May 31st. At the beach, we're talking temperatures in the 70s, a northeast wind possible. It actually probably will be closer to 80, 83 degrees at the beach, but a northeast wind will be possible. 5 to 10 miles per hour, that would be nice. A very low chance for a shower at the bay, 90 degrees, still hot and humid, and east wind about 10 to 20 miles per hour. There is a slight chance for a little bit of rain pending what that front does, so that's what we're going to be watching throughout the upcoming week. If you are headed to the beach today, temperatures making their way into the upper 80s. Even at the beach, winds are breezy out of the southeast, about 10 to 20 miles per hour. Some gusts could reach 30. Our waves are 3 to 5 feet, very high UV index, and watch out for some minor coastal flooding. High tide will be in the morning, so the tide will be lowering throughout the day today. And your 7-day forecast, yeah, it's still hot, it's still humid. The best shot of rain is going to be the middle to second half of the week.